This will be a quick look at this really cool RC tugboat. I like the attention to detail of the design. A lot of these pieces though don't come installed. You have to plug them in. Like, I think there's a dozen pieces like this, this. Even the little steering wheel in there, which I'm not even sure how I got in. Maybe about a dozen little pieces like that that snap on, even this ladder. But again, the detail is really nice. It's just a really cool, cute little tugboat. It does have two props in the back, and these rudders actually do rotate left and right. So it has a pretty tight turning radius. This whole cab actually needs to be placed on the boat as well when you first get it. And you can see there's two LED lights, one on each side. And there's actually a wire plug that plugs into the hull of the boat, which I'm not sure how watertight that connection is, but I believe it's just for those lights. For the rechargeable battery, this is the compartment that you'll place it in. You just rotate this back lever. There's the battery. The cover has a gasket around it of some kind to help with sealing out the water, which I'm not sure how well it works yet, but at least it's something. So you put it back on. This is the controller. A really basic controller. Power up here. I think it took two AA batteries that weren't supplied. And then I think this is a trim dial, maybe for steering. So I don't know if you can tell, but the rudders are rotating. Maybe if I reverse, there is reverse. Can you see them rotating? Yeah, I think you can. That's really neat. And the trigger on the controller is pressure sensitive, so if you just have a little bit of input on the trigger, it'll go slower. And then this is full throttle. So it's actually faster than I thought it was going to be, which is nice. It's very maneuverable. The look is awesome. If you have a pool or a calm body of water, this would be perfect. Be a lot of fun. It works great. The motors or props or whatever that noise is pretty loud though. But really, really cool.
Ulala. Ah, he's going too aggressive.